Hey there, today's video is going to be about fixing the dreaded crack in your nail. We're going to go from this to this using this. Here's everything that I need to get my nails prepped, cleaned up, and then the after polish as well and aftercare. Here's the toilet paper. You just need a single ply piece. If you have double ply, just strip it down to single ply. That's all you need. You just want the thinnest piece of toilet paper possible to work with. You're just going to go in and file around the crack in the nail as carefully as possible, just to make sure there's no pieces sticking out from the piece of nail that wants to pop up. Now I'm going to tear off a piece of the toilet paper as small as possible, just to fit that crack. That looks like a good size. So it will wrap around as much as it can underneath the nail as well to really support it. So keeping that there, we're going to use a nice clear coat of polish. I'm using the Sally Hansen Advanced Hard as Nails Strengthener, just to polish a clear polish that's a little bit thicker, not one that's too thin. You just put one coat right where the crack is, because essentially it's going to be the glue. Now we're going to put that bit of paper right over the crack, just to the edge so it can go underneath just a tiny bit. Now we're going to wait for that to dry. If you feel like the crack is really, really long within the nail and you want to just add double protection to it, just add another layer at this point. But I think I'm going to be okay with just one. It's a really short crack and it's close to the nail bed. I'm just trying to wait for that to grow up because it's going to hurt if I cut it or if it rips any further. Since it's just about dry, we're going to go in and use this clear polish again to coat over. And you want to make sure that the polish goes underneath as well, as much as you can. Now that's about dry, we're going to go in one more time with another clear coat. We're going to go with one of my favorite Sally Hansen Color Therapy polishes today. They're very smoothing for covering nail ridges or any imperfections in your nails. You can see that I have. I think this is the color we're going to use today. This is Primrose and Proper. It's really pretty for spring and summer. One of the things I really love about this polish is the wand, the polishing wand, flat and wide. It's perfect. Nails are dry now. The crack is covered up really nicely. It's nice and smooth. We're going to finish up with a Sally Hansen Insta-Dry top coat to make sure all the polishing that we just did is nice and strong and doesn't smudge. The last step to every nail polish that I do is to add this cuticle oil. It's vanilla bean and sugar. It smells amazing and it helps smooth out the cuticles. They look a little dry right now. Just after all the nail polish remover pushing back the cuticles, they start to look a little haggard. So we definitely want to add this on top. It also helps protect the polish that you just did as well. Here is the final result of the nail with the crack, and you can't even see it was there, and it's reinforced now, which is really wonderful. Hopefully I can get it to grow out and then file it down before it splits, using this method every week just to reinforce it. If you like this video, I have another video that I made using my 3-step process to try and grow your nails as quickly as possible, and it obviously really worked. but you know, cracks still happen. But definitely check out that video if you want to see how I achieved nail growth in the shortest possible time. Thanks for watching.